morning, everybody. It's now Wednesday morning. We're here at the beautiful Westin Lagunamar. Last night when we got back to the room, we were pretty tired. We were both pretty full from the all-you-can-eat wings over at Hooters at Isla. So we just kind of crashed. I didn't record an ending, but just to give you an idea of how many wings I got for my 229 pesos, I ended up eating 44 chicken wings. Now, a few of those were boneless wings. I made the comment at the table that I was essentially responsible for the death of 22 chickens. It's pretty awful when you think about it. But they were pretty good chicken wings. I'm going to go out here shortly and probably record about half of my resort tour. To do that, I also need to get a lime and some salt. I bought some avocados and everything else to make guacamole, and I don't have any salt and I don't have any lime, so I'm going to run down to the store here. I'll show you how I make my guacamole.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear. But I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. I'm obsessed with you. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your.
So I'm on my way down to the Pizzarra market to see if I can find a lime. I'm going to make some guacamole, and I don't have any limes, so I have some guacamole, and there is some salt in the room, but I'm going to see if they maybe have some salt down there as well, because I don't know if I have enough. So, heading downstairs to Pizzarra Market.
To explain how I feel, it's better to enjoy the ride. I feel at home, never alone. My friends are asking me if I have left the planet, 'cause I seem high all the time. They think I'm in a film.
So that was a success. I now have 2 limes and some salt. 25 pesos for everything, so not too bad. About $1.50 US dollars, so I'm gonna go back up. And I'll probably first make my pico de gallo that goes in the guacamole. So we're gonna head back up to the room and make the pico de gallo.
Too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Trying to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Did someone put something in my drink? The world is spinning in my head. When you hold me, it feels so soothing. You're like a story I know so well. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close.
So we made it to the pool. Barely. We made it. We went over to the smaller pool today. We're gonna sit here and eat our guacamole and chips, and then we'll probably get in the pool. Cool little. So as you can probably see from my hair, we've made it back from the pool, and we're going to get cleaned up here. We're going to rest for a little bit before we head out for dinner. So kind of what's on the plan for this evening. Not exactly sure where we're going to go yet. Maybe La Pizzarra, a small Italian restaurant over on the inlet over on the other side, Isla. That's what we're thinking right now, but we're not 100% sure. So it's only about 4:30. The sun goes down behind the buildings here around 4 o'clock or 4:30. So it's this time of year, kind of cools off about 4 o'clock, and everybody exits from the pool pretty quickly once it gets cool. There's still quite a few people down there, but not nearly what's down there in the middle of the afternoon. Okay, so I'm out in my patio here at the Westin Lagunamar, and if you look behind me here, right there, I'll make sure I can get my finger on it. It's blurry obviously because it's in the background. Right there is a cruise ship. It was kind of interesting one time when we were on, I believe it was a Carnival cruise. I'm not sure what cruise line or what cruise ship it was. It was out of Tampa, or it was maybe the Magic, Carnival Magic. I remember when we were sailing back north towards Galveston, we were able to see the skyline of Cancun from the ship while we were sailing. So it was definitely dark at night, but you could certainly tell that it was Cancun because there's really just nothing else like that sailing off the coast of the Yucatan. We're going to head over across the street. We think now we've decided on La Pizzeria, and we're going to head there for dinner. Missy was looking it up online a little bit earlier. It looks like they actually have some pretty good specials, so we're going to head over there. We'll check that out and show you what it's like. We've eaten there many times before on prior trips, so kind of an old standby. We like pasta, they have pizza, and hopefully we'll be able to take advantage of some of these specials. So we'll take a look. We'll see you in a bit. There's the resort all lit up at night. Okay, so we're going to be heading out. Are we going to La Pizzeria?
Pizzeria.
La Pizzeria. But I think it's actually just called La Pizzarra. But that's what we're going to have for dinner. Man, am I hungry. I'm going to eat the some pizza. Okay, let's go.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
I got a farfalle pasta. It's an Alfredo type pasta with chicken. And then we're gonna split a cheese pizza. It's got 4 kinds of cheese on it.
And I ordered some type of fettuccine chipotle da casa. That's it. Fettuccine chipotle da casa. The spicy pasta. I think I've had it before actually. For some reason it sounds familiar. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But I'm gonna eat the out of some pizza. I'm hungry. Missy's not even hungry. She said earlier she's not even hungry. She's shaking her head. Spicy. We just finished our dinner. My lips are still on fire. Just waiting for our check. Oh, you go. Oh, hey.
It's going like a Mexican.
That's right.
The Mexican rice.
Stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Very chocolatey. You didn't get chocolate? You don't know what you're missing. Missy don't know what she's missing with chocolate. Pretty good.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go and say when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So it is the end of another day. Had dinner at La Pizzarra. Delicious gelato. Not sure how they said their name. But anyway, it was great. And we now have Krispy Kreme donuts for breakfast. So we'll take a closer look at those tomorrow morning. So hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Good night.
I feel